But on each side of him, the ledge ended in a sheer fall. On his each side, he finds only sea water, and there is complete fall. Sheer means complete. Sheer means complete. Okay? Beneath him and his parents there was a deep, wide chasm, and between him and his parents comes the chasm. What is chasm? Deep opening. Okay? Chasm. Deep opening. Opening means he has fear of falling down if he goes ahead. There was no ledge to walk. There is no surface to walk. Okay, and above him there is only sky. Okay, and down it's sea only, expanse of sea. It's not ocean, it's sea only. Okay, he stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge. So he slowly comes to the edge of the ledge where he is on. Brink. Edge. Brink means edge. Okay, to the extreme. Now, he saw his two brothers and his sisters lying on the plateau. He sees his two brothers and his sister are just resting. Okay, on the plateau. Being in a, you can say, flat position, that is lying. Lying means being in a flat position. Means resting, I have said already. And dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. And they are sinking their heads, okay, into their necks like this. And they are just going to sleep. His father was bringing the feathers on his white back, and his father is cleaning his feather with his beak. Preen means clean with beak. You must have seen bird pecking with its beak on its body, just cleaning like this. So preen is clean. Preen. Clean with his beak. Beak, you know, beak of bird, the hard part of a bird in its mouth, you know very well. So now only his mother was looking at him. But you know, mother is mother. Mother loves you the most, that you know very well. So his mother is only looking at him. I mean, no one, whether it's his father or brothers, sisters, nobody look at him. All are completely careless of him. Only his mother is looking at him. So now and again. Now and again means often. Now again. Very often. She tore at a piece of fish. Here you can say repeatedly also. So his mother is only tearing a piece of fish that lay at her feet, and the fish is just lying at her feet. She's just tearing that fish and then scratched each side of her beak on the rock, and then just see it scraping her beak on the side of the rock, surface of the rock. So scrap means dragged, you can say. Scratch, dragged. Here it is, dragged. You must have seen the bird's activity. So same way, here the young seagull's mother is tearing the fish and she is dragging in this way, dragging, passing her beak, on the surface of rock like this. The sight of the food maddened him. As you know, the young seagull has not eaten anything since last day, so she's very hungry, and as he looks the food what her mother has with her, it completely maddens him. He loses all control. How he loved to tear the food that way, scraping his beak now and again to wet it. He uttered a low cackle. His mother cackled too and looked over at him. He wants actually to tear the food. The young seagull wants to tear the food that way and also dragging his beak on the surface of rock. And wet means sharpen. If a bird drags its beak against the surface of rock means or any hard material, it means the bird is trying to sharpen